Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. So in today's video, we are going to understand how to send automated WhatsApp message to Facebook leads for telecom equipment business. So here let's assume that I have a telecom equipment business and to promote it, I'm using Facebook lead ads. So here my objective is that whenever I'm going to receive a new lead through Facebook lead ads, then I want to send an automated WhatsApp message to that lead. Now to do this, I need to build an integration between these two applications, for which I will be using this amazing integration and automation software that is Pabbly Connect. So here my trigger application will be Facebook and my action application will be WhatsApp. So here to send the WhatsApp message, I am using Vati. So if you want to learn more about this integration, follow me through the screen.
In this video, we are going to understand how to send automated WhatsApp message to Facebook leads for telecom equipment business. So here let's assume that I have a telecom equipment business and to promote it, I'm using Facebook lead ads. So here my objective is that whenever I'm going to receive a new lead through Facebook lead ads, then I want to send an automated WhatsApp message to that lead. So now to do this, I need to build an integration between these two applications, for which I will be using Pabbly Connect. So this here is the landing page of Pabbly Connect, and now as an existing user, I'm going to sign in. But if you're a new user, you can click on the sign up for free button and every month you will get 100 tasks for free. So as an existing user, I'm signing in. Now this here is the all applications page by Pabbly. So here I will go to Pabbly Connect and click on access now to reach my dashboard. So this here is my dashboard, and now to create a new workflow, I will go to my right hand side corner and click on this create workflow button. So now in this dialog box appearing, I'm going to give my workflow a name. So here I've named it as send automated WhatsApp message to Facebook leads. And on my left hand side, you can see these are the folders which I've created before. So I want to save this workflow in the folder named as Facebook lead ads. And now I'm going to click on create. So as I did that, now I have arrived on a very important window which consists of trigger and action. Basically, trigger and action are the two most important principles or concepts of Pabbly Connect on which this entire automation and integration will depend. Trigger says when this happens, action says do this. So action is an automated response of your trigger application, and in a workflow, you can only have one trigger but multiple action applications. So now moving to my use case, that is to send automated WhatsApp message to Facebook leads for telecom equipment business. So now moving to my trigger window, as I'm promoting my telecom equipment business with the help of Facebook lead ads. So Facebook lead ads will be my trigger application. And now the trigger event will be new lead instant. So the moment I'm going to receive a new lead, then this workflow is going to run automatically. So now moving to my action window, as I want to send an automated WhatsApp message to my Facebook leads. So here to send the WhatsApp message, I'm going to use Vati. And now the action event will be to send template message. So here you can see that I have selected my action application and the action event along with my trigger application and the trigger event. So here my objective is that whenever I'm going to receive a new lead through Facebook lead ads, then an automated WhatsApp message should be sent to that lead. So here I'm capturing the leads through Facebook lead ads, and by using Vati, I'm going to send an automated WhatsApp message to my Facebook leads. So now moving back to my trigger window. So over here, as I've selected my trigger application and the trigger events, firstly I need to establish a connection between Facebook lead ads and Pabbly Connect. In order to do that, here I'm going to click on connect. And now to add a new connection, I've already logged into my Facebook account. So here I'm simply going to click on connect. And here you can see that the authorization is successful. So you can see that Pabbly Connect and Facebook lead ads is successfully connected. So now moving to page and the lead gen form. Here I need to select the Facebook page which I have created for my business and the lead gen form that is associated with my page. So now here, this is the Facebook page I have created by the name of Connect Tech. So here in Pabbly Connect, firstly, I'm going to select my page as Connect Tech. Here it is. So after selecting my page, now I need to select the lead gen form associated with my page. So here in Meta Business Suite, this is the lead form that I've created, and this is how it looks like. So the name of this lead gen form is Telecommunication Lead Form. So here in Pabbly Connect, from this drop down, I'm going to select this as my lead gen form. So here you can see that I have selected my page and the lead gen form associated with my page. So once I've done that, I will scroll down and simply click on Save and Send Test Request. So as I did that, here you can see it is waiting for a webhook response, which means now I have to do a test submission so that the data can be recorded here in the webhook response. So now to do this, I'm going to take you to a new tab, and here I'm going to search for Meta for developers. Now I will go to the page. And here in Meta for developers, I will go to My Apps. And now in My Apps, I will go to Tools. And under Developer Tools, I will go to this Lead Ads RTO Debug tool. So this here is the Lead Ads testing tool, and this tool is going to test our integration. So here you can create a test lead to confirm that your integration is set up to receive the data correctly. So now moving to this page drop down, here I'm going to search for my page and select it. So I'm searching for my page, that is by the name of Connect Tech. So I've selected my page. Now I'm going to select the form that is associated with my page. So after selecting the page and form, here I'm going to click on Preview Form. So this here is the lead ad form, and over here I filled in the details of full name, email and a phone number. So now here I'm going to click on Next, and here I'm going to click on Submit. It says, thanks, you're all set. Your test lead has been sent. That means the test lead which I've just created would have been captured in Pabbly Connect. So taking you to Pabbly Connect. And here you can see I've just received a response. Here is the full name, email, phone number, created date and time along with some other details. That means the test lead which I've just created is successfully captured over here in Pabbly Connect. So the first objective of this automation is set up. That means now whenever a new lead will be received through Facebook lead ads, then automatically that lead will get captured over here in Pabbly Connect. So this trigger will instantly capture the new incoming data, and the workflow execution will start in real time. So as I've got the test lead details over here in Pabbly Connect, so now I want to send an automated WhatsApp message to this test lead. In order to do that, I need to establish a connection between Vati and Pabbly Connect. So to do that, here I'm going to click on Connect. And now to add a new connection, I need to mention the API endpoint and the access token. So this here is the instruction given to get the API endpoint and the access token. So now I'm going to take you to my Vati account, and here in Vati, I will go to API docs. And here in API docs, over here is the access token and the API endpoint. So here I've copied the API endpoint, and over here in Pabbly Connect, I'm going to paste the same. Now going for the access token, I'm going to copy the same, and here in Pabbly Connect, I'm going to paste it. So API endpoint and the access token is now mentioned in these fields. So now I'm going to click on Save. And here you can see that Vati and Pabbly Connect is successfully connected. So now moving to the detail of WhatsApp number. So here I need to mention the WhatsApp number where I want to send the WhatsApp message. So here from the response received, I'm going to map it. So basically mapping is to insert the data from previous step. So as I've received a response from Facebook lead ads, I'm going to map the phone number. So once that is done, now here I need to select the template which is to be sent to this Facebook lead. So going to Vati, here I'm going to go to templates, and now I'm going to search my template which I've created by the name of Facebook lead ads. So this here is the template. So the template name is Facebook lead ads, category is marketing, language is English US, broadcast title is welcome message, and this here is the body. So here the body goes as, hello, thank you for your response. Our team member is soon going to connect with you and will share exciting offers with you on the given contact details. Thank you. So here after hello, this here is a custom variable. So here after hello, I want to mention the name of the lead. So this variable will keep on changing accordingly as per the new response will be received. So now I'm going to take you back to Pabbly Connect, and here I'm going to select the template as Facebook lead ads, and here I've selected it. So now moving to the broadcast name. So as I've mentioned in the template, that goes as welcome message. So here in Pabbly Connect, I'm going to write the same. So this here is the broadcast name. So now moving to the custom parameters. So as I've mentioned in this template, I have added a custom parameter for name, that is after hello. So now here in Pabbly Connect, I'm going to follow the same format that is given in the example, and I'm going to paste it. So now this here is the parameter for name. I'm going to remove this and mention name, and the value for the name stands for the lead name. So here I'm going to map the lead's name. So here you can see as I've mapped the details of WhatsApp number and a custom parameter. So this method of mapping is important so that every time you receive a new response with new data, so that data can be taken into consideration in these fields. If I would have written this information manually, in that case this information would have become static, which means that it wouldn't change even if I would have received a new response. So to avoid that problem, we map the information. So now moving ahead, I'm going to click on Save and Send Test Request. And now here you can see that I have received a response, and this here is a positive response. So now I'm going to take you to the WhatsApp message that would have been sent. So this here is the WhatsApp message that has been sent. This here is the broadcast title. Here after hello, you can see the name of the lead. This here is the body content and it ends with thank you. So here after hello, you can see that the name of the lead is mentioned. So that means the test lead which I have just created has received this automated WhatsApp message successfully. So that means this integration and automation is a successful one. That means now whenever a new Facebook lead will be received, then automatically an automated WhatsApp message will be sent to that lead by using Vati.
Not just these applications, you can integrate a lot more applications with the help of Pabbly Connect. So if you have any doubts regarding Pabbly, reach us at support@pabbly.com, and if you have any queries, you can visit us at forum.pabbly.com. If you have any pricing related query, you can visit this link. So if you like this video, please share it with your friends and colleagues, and do not forget to like, share and subscribe our channel.